everyone. Welcome to my home. So I'm going to do a condo tour. I just bought my condo at 23. I will be 24 this Wednesday. So where should I start, Mother?
Start from the guest side.
Okay, so when you walk in, it's like a little storage closet here. Of course, we're going to decorate everything. While I go through, I'm going to let you all know the changes that's going to be made to the condo. So a lot of stuff in here is kind of dull, so we're going to start by touching up the paint. I want to do it a nice gray color. So it's going to be a nice gray that's going to be painted. So this is the walk-in area, and then you have this little storage area, and then you have the guest bathroom, the shower. You know, eventually I'm gonna upgrade that, but now it's fine. And then we have, and then she left that for me. I do want to do something else to the countertops, but I'm gonna, you know, wait for that. But yeah, so this is the first guest bathroom that we have. And this is my first guest room. So I'm gonna make this room my YouTube room. We're gonna definitely change the color to a gray color. I did want to have an accent wall to a gray color. I did want to have an accent wall, but I don't know which wall I want to make the accent wall. No, the accent wall is going to be painted pink and everything else around it will be painted gray. But yeah, so this is the guest room that I'm going to be making my YouTube room. You have a closet here. I'll probably store some of my YouTube equipment here and put my desk. Maybe this will be the accent wall. This will be pink and everything else will be gray. So whenever I film a YouTube video, this will be my backdrop. So I'm thinking to put my desk against maybe this wall and, you know, do some filming. Of course, yeah, the ceiling fan is going to be changed out for silver. Eventually, we're going to touch up the flooring, but I'm going to wait a year because I don't want to splurge out on money. Sorry, I'm a little hot. We have to just make sure the AC was on. So come on, you guys. Come on. So this is my living room area. I already got the ceiling fan that I want. It's going to be like a lamp up ceiling fan. I have my balcony is huge. So this is the living room area. My sectional is a lighting filter. My sectional comes soon. In April, my sectional will be here. It's a gray sectional. And this is all going to be painted gray. It's going to be changed out for silver. This is going to be the dining room light. So this is going to be a light fixture. A new light fixture that we bought. Did we buy that? No, we didn't have to order those. And then this little area is going to be my dining room table area. It's going to be, I'm looking for marble with some nice pink chairs, pink or gray chairs around this area here. So yeah, it's already painted a nice light pink, but it's just like a gold pink. And I like stuff to be nice and glammed up. So we're going to try to get that fixed and changed. Let's go to my balcony. So my balcony is really huge. It's actually part of the living room and my master bedroom. So this is my balcony. You're recording with me? This is my balcony. We're actually going to paint the flooring gray as well. Then we're going to put a pink big carpet out here. And then I'm going to get one of those hanging chairs. And I'm going to make it look all comfy. I'm going to put some flowers around here. So like when I open it, it'll be like a little nice garden area, whatever. And I have a nice, beautiful view. And I have hurricane impact windows. This area is going to be the washer and dryer. We're actually going to replace those with some brand new ones. Come on guys, I'm going to show y'all my master bedroom. Okay, so master bedroom, this is going to be my room. We're going to make this wall an accent wall. It's going to be painted a better pink than this, a more popping pink. And then we're going to have everything else gray. 2 nightstands on the side. This is going to be replaced with a glam ceiling light. And my TV is going to be... The lighting's good? Okay, so this is like, this is a part of my bathroom. I have all of this. This mirror is nice. This is going to be replaced with a bathroom vanity light that's also going to be glammed up. And then
The chair, you're gonna do the chair over, right?
we're gonna do this chair. My mom's gonna put some fur on it. You know, if I want to sit down, do my makeup. I see your face, Mom. Do my makeup, you know.
You don't wear makeup, but if you want to.
Yeah, so as you all can see, like this condo, it's nice. It's like move-in ready. Like I'm gonna add my style to it. An older person was living in it, but I think that for the most part, the condo is well taken care of. Was well taken care of, and I just have to be the one to keep it up. But everything's nice. It's just like it's dull stuff that I'm gonna live. Y'all know how I am. That's on period. But this is the rest of the bathroom. You know, we have the shower and the toilet. Eventually I may change the shower to like marble or something like that and get a new sliding glass door. But that's gonna be, it's not like anything quick. Everything's working fine, so I'm not stressing it. I love this little marble here, but I may end up replacing it. Hey y'all. I may end up replacing this along with this. And yeah, so now this is my walk-in closet that I have. So this is my walk-in closet. I can even hang up my keys in here if I'm, you know, heading to work
For clothes,
or
jackets.
Oh, never mind.
Keys about.
But yeah, so this is my walk-in closet. I'm glad that I have a bigger space to put all my clothes in. I'm not really gonna paint in here. It's just gonna be my closet. I have a lot of clothes, but I do want to be extremely, extremely organized. So yeah, is that about it, Mom?
You can actually put your chester right there.
Yeah, because it'll fit.
And put
then
the
I can
long
come
here.
in and
Long, and then you can put the. Yeah, that'd be perfect.
So, yeah, I'm going to thank you so much for watching my empty condo tour. I'm going to keep y'all updated on everything that's to come. My closest friend is going to be painting. My stepdad, you know, he does like other things in the house. Like he can fix it, even if he wants to replace my top, he does that, but we're going to do that along the way. He's also going to be fixing my light fixtures and stuff and the fans. So my mom's getting her home with it, Georgia now, so I know they're focusing on them. But I'm even a girl, so. But yeah, so we're about to run to Home Depot. I'm going to show you all, this is a new journey for me. So I want you all to tune into my home series. I'm gonna bring you all along with me painting, buying things. Yeah, this is my new journey and I'm just excited. I'm 23 and I'm a homeowner. I'll be 24 soon, but I'm 23 and I'm a homeowner. All glory be to God. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll see you all in the next video.